Hello, my name is Connie Liu. I'm an undergraduate at MIT, and today we're going to be doing a few concept questions about human chromosomes and genes. So to start out, we'll do this question. What is a karyotype? So for this one, if you answered something along the lines of an ordered display of chromosomes, you'd be correct. So essentially what's happening in this picture on the left is this is an example of a karyotype, and as you may notice, for each of the numbers of chromosomes, there's a pair. So there are 23 chromosomes, as you see, with this being the 23rd, but because of the pairing, there are actually 46 chromosomes. And this is for humans. So all different species and animals have different number of chromosomes, so the rule of having 46 chromosomes is something that's specific for human cells. So these chromosomes that are paired together are called homologous chromosomes, or homologs. And those are essentially just all of the pairs that they have with each other. So all of these chromosomes are paired up and then are known as homologs to each other. These are also the ones that pair up during meiosis in order to create eggs and sperm, basically sex cells. Alright, so let's move on to the next question. Are somatic cells diploid or haploid? Alright, so the answer to this question is diploid. Basically, the 46 chromosome rule applies to these somatic cells. So they're going to be basically any general body cell that's not the sex cells. And then they're going to have 46 chromosomes each. Alright, and then we're going to move on to the next question. What type of cells are haploid? Alright, so for this one, you should have been able to kind of guess from the other answer, but it should be sex cells. Essentially, that includes the eggs and the sperm. So egg for female, sperm for male. And then these sex cells only have 23 chromosomes because what happens is they combine together to actually form the gamete, which is going to be the two sets of chromosomes combined to form one cell that ultimately multiplies until it becomes an embryo, a fetus, and then finally a human baby. So starts out as just one cell and just keeps on multiplying until you get a full-grown human being. So these two, that's why you have some traits from your mom and some traits from your dad, because 23 of those chromosomes, one of each of the homologs is from your mom, and 23 of those chromosomes are from your dad. So that's why you're going to find a really good balance between the two expressed traits between your mom and your dad.